Hey Igor, this is Akram from ClickFunnels Dev Support. Um, when I logged into your account, I sent you two pictures of you to, you know, select a page here and here, and it should solve your issue after you click on this. So you mentioned that you've done that, and it's still giving you an issue. So when I go into your domains right now, and I see that we have successfully added this one and it's secured. When I go into expand, I notice that now you have chosen this, and you've chosen this as well. So let me give you a preview of what will happen, because now that you've chosen that, you will not get the same issue. And I'm just going to go ahead and test it here, and I'll go up here and I'm going to do it again. So I put in the www, I clicked on this, and do you see that it's opening up your page just like I've shown you? There's no error, right? Because you put in that page, right? So that's what you have to do. Once you just select these two pages, it will stop taking you to ClickFunnels support. That's all for now. Have a great day.